Sulphur-crested cockatoo. The sulphur-crested cockatoo is a large, beautiful species of parrot. The male and female birds are almost alike. The main difference between them is the color of eye. The female has red-brown eye and male birds are in dark brown color. Sulphur-crested cockatoo make nest in hollows of trees. This iconic parrot species live up to 70 years. They mainly feed on berries, seeds, nuts and roots. Bronze-winged parrot. Bronze-winged parrots are medium-sized, unusually colored parrot species native to South America. Their plumage is in dark purple or blue coloration and have a bronze patch on wings. The feathers of this species have violet edges and throat is in pink. It also a sociable, calm and beautiful pet parrot. Dusky lory. The extremely active and playful dusky lories are one of the most popular pet parrots in the world. The intelligent dusky lories also mimic human speech very well. They also like to play with toys or interact with people. Dusky lories are originated from Papua New Guinea and also called as white-rumped lory. The male and female bird look alike and has bright orange-colored upper chest, cream-colored rump, gray legs and dark orange-colored beak. Gala. The beautiful Gala parrots are identified by their pink chest and face. Gala parrots are also called as rose-breasted cockatoo and Gala cockatoo. They found across almost all regions of Australia. Gala parrots are also highly social species, found in large flocks. Their upper part and short tail is in gray color. The male and female birds almost look alike, although the color of male birds' eyes is dark brown and it is pinkish red in females. Blue and yellow macaw. Blue and yellow macaw is a large and beautiful parrot species native to South America. They inhabit in humid forests and swamps. They have blue upper part and yellow underpart. The striking color and talking ability also make blue and yellow macaws as one of the most popular pet birds. African Grey. African Grey is the most intelligent, talkative parrot species in the world. The bond with owners led African Grey to excel in talking. As the name indicates, African Grey parrots are endemic to Congo of Africa and in gray coloration. They have a wingspan between 46 centimeters and 52 centimeters. The male and female African Grey look similar. Sun parakeet. Sun parakeet is an attractive and endemic parrot species native to South America. Their amazing plumage display yellow, red, orange, blue and green colors. Sun parakeet also has a white patch around the eyes and green marking on the wings. Like a number of other parrot species, both male and female parakeet look alike. They are also known for mimicking the human voice. Hyacinth macaw. Hyacinth macaw is the largest flying parrot species in the world with a length of 40 inches. It is an endangered parrot species and the surviving members are mainly found in southern Brazil. They have bright blue plumage and large beak. The intelligent hyacinth macaws are also known for using tools with the help of their large toes. Eclectus. The eclectus is a strikingly colored parrot species native to Papua New Guinea. The male parrot has bright green plumage and female birds display bright red and purple coloration. This sexual dimorphism in plumage color also make eclectus as an unusual parrot species. The eclectus are also one of the best pet birds in the world. They are very calm social birds. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw is one of the most beautiful and largest parrot species in the world. They inhabit in rainforests of Central and South America. Scarlet macaws are known for their attractive plumage. Most part of their body is in bright red color, also has blue back, yellow markings on upper wing and light blue tail. This intelligent parrot species show the excellency in mimicking a number of words and voices.